The Yamato is a Tier 5 Japanese battleship. It is the most powerful Japanese battleship that you can find in the game. So once you get your Yamato, you will go through the standard upgrades. You will upgrade first your HP, then your speed, then your main batteries, anti-aircraft, planes, turn ratio, and then your quality of your planes. So I have heard that many people say that the Yamato is not good as it does not have secondaries. But in fact, Yamato has the best secondaries that are available in Battle of Warship. In real life, the 2, 3 mouth 6-inch guns were the secondary guns. So at least you are getting a secondary gun that can aim 5 kilometers just like the main gun. And unlike the secondary guns of other battleships that take the same time to reload but have a maximum range of only 1 to 2 kilometers, the guns on the Yamato has the range of main battery. So stop complaining about the battleship guns, they are very well. So once you have made your Yamato, when you customize it, the only thing that matters is the flag, since the other three options won't increase your gameplay. So there are two flags that I recommend for the Yamato. First is the British flag. With the British flag you can increase your HP and get your damage up to 70,000, because 70,000 damage on a destroyer, battleship, cruiser or carrier is very devastating. The other flag is the Brazilian flag. You do not increase your damage but you reduce your reload time, increase your HP and also increase your speed with 4 kilometers. Okay. A key aspect that you should know while using Yamato is that you only use armor piercing shells, because using highly explosive shells will highly reduce your damage per salvo. Without speaking more, let's take it in battle. At the start of battle, Yamato has a very slow speed. Always use the speed skill to increase your speed. Okay, while you are playing a Yamato, you should remember not to be the first thing the enemy sees. Try to send a ship ahead of you so that the ship will get, so that you are not the first thing the enemy shells will hit. For example, look at this Montana. Now I will follow her and use her as cover so that the enemy may shoot her and not me. The guns of Yamato are slow turning, so better to use your rudder to help them turn faster. The guns of Yamato deal high and extreme damage to any target, so do not hesitate. When playing the Yamato, always stay in a group. Always make sure that you have a battleship, cruiser or destroyer to support you in the gunfight. You stay behind friendly battleships so that they may take shells and not you. You do not attack destroyers so that you may not waste shells. You fire at broadside cruisers and make them regret their decision for charging alone. Your guns are very powerful and can destroy anything. Your guns do massive damage to all targets as long as they are showing their broadside to you, and you can hit them with a perfect salvo. The one thing I don't recommend with Yamato is to engage multiple battleships at once like this. I have accidentally engaged King George and Bismarck together. Now they can easily kill me, so I will try to make the best of this turn. While using the Yamato, you can also take cover of the wall. The Yamato is very large and it will be the favorite target for destroyers so that they can torpedo you. You can use the method known as kiting. Use your rudder to land a full salvo while dodging his whole salvo. I will just show you the end of this battle. As you can see, when you play the Yamato right, she will return you a large number of rewards. In this battle, I got 1 assist kill, 4 kills, and 5,98,367 damage. You can always use the video and increase your reward by 50%. Now I will show you some of my good battles with Yamato and explain a brief intro about the battleship Yamato in real life. When played right, the Yamato can give you a large number of rewards. You can see when in this battle with 28 platinum, 26 platinum. As you can see in this battle, I have done 2 lakh damage less when compared this battle, but I have done 2 more kills, and as a result they will grant me with more platinum. This is another battle. You can see 4 kills, damage 4,65,000, damage 4,75,000, and it has the most platinum. It has even more than this battle, in which I have done 6,36,000, because basically your kills matter the most. In real life, the gun caliber of Yamato's main guns was 18 inches, which was the largest caliber ever recorded on a battleship. The secondary guns of the Yamato were of 6 inches. Before World War II, Yamato had 4 6-inch guns. Let me try to show you. Yamato had 4 of these guns, located at the place now where these anti-aircrafts are present. Because the Japanese learned after the attack on Pearl Harbor that aircraft carriers would have a would play a large role in naval battle. When the Americans got word that the Japanese were building a monster like Yamato, they thought that the main guns of Yamato would have 16-inch shells, but in reality it had 18-inch shells. Just think, the Americans were thinking that Yamato had 16-inch guns and designed the Montana, which had 4 triple turrets with 16-inch guns to counteract her. Just imagine if the Americans would knew that she was capable of carrying 18-inch guns. Just imagine what monster they would have planned. Not the Montana, of course, because Montana was to counteract the 16-inch guns on Yamato. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below on which ship should I do how to video next time. And I am thinking to start a brief ship introduction. Let's see how it does. Hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.